I'm plateauing, understanding the text, beating the 50-50, outrunning the clock. Schizo post warning: this is a mix of event, plea for help, and analysis of my own mistakes. TLDR: how do I choose between two very similar answers for reading comprehension? How do I get faster? Is there a way to quickly read a text while picking up all the nuanced details necessary to answering the question? I've been studying for the SAT for about a month and a half now, and I feel myself plateauing.
On an English Module 2, I make about 5 to 6 mistakes, of which, one is usually a vocab, notes, or grammar, while the rest are all reading comprehension.
More specifically, most of my mistakes come down to questions with long-winded paragraphs and similarly tedious answers where I burn down my time trying to understand the text and answers, only to be left with two seemingly similar answers that I have to choose between, hence the 50-50. And if I try to speed through the text and questions and pick up the keywords and ideas, I inevitably miss a crucial detail found between two commas that derails my entire reasoning process, and I end up on the completely wrong track.
So it's either between finishing with a mere minute or two left, or speeding through it and getting questions blatantly wrong.
WTF do I do?
It's been about 2 weeks.
And I see and feel little to no improvement. I try to analyze my mistakes, and while brutally clear afterwards, what do I do in the moment?
My worst fear is coming about: I'm plateauing. If you're only missing 5-6 questions on Module 2, you're already in the 720-740 range. It's less of a plateau and more of a you are reaching the highest possible score. The higher the score, the more effort, not as much improvement, because it's more difficult and there is less room for improvement. At that range, I would try to practice the highest level material, and use answer explanations to understand what the SAT authors are trying to convey. Beyond the 7 blue books, I would complete all hard question bank problems, hundreds. These will really challenge you consistently think in the 740-800 range. And, the hope is, thinking in this range long enough helps you improve to 760-800. Also has 7 great Princeton tests to complete, if you scroll past the blue books. I would do all Module 1s and hard Module 2s of Princeton.